Hello dear traders, my name is Olivia Kendall. I'm personal manager at NSBroker, and today I'm going to tell you about fundamental analysis, why it is important, why we traders need to use it, and how to pay attention to the most breaking news that may provoke the financial market movements. So, you understand that to trade on financial market, you need to have some knowledge. Of course, it's about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. If we are going to speak about technical analysis, it refers to charts, graphs, diagrams. Fundamental analysis comprises a lot of different news, current events, situation. So, of course, there are some of news that we can't predict, like disaster, or for example, we had recently explosion in Beirut. Of course, it influenced oil price significantly, and lately we had cold weather in Texas. It influenced oil price as well, so they were rally with oil. Basically, you may just check it, opening any chart with oil, Brent oil, Texas oil. So that's all comprises fundamental analysis. And to be updated and to be informed about last current news, you may just check some informational resources. Usually I advise my traders to use investing.com because there is economic calendar. We'll just speak about it a little bit later. Bloomberg, Reuters, a lot of different sources of information that you can pick up. Of course, you need to select the information properly, thoroughly, in order not to be misinformed. So let me just see how works this fundamental analysis. So for example, we have here different points of views from analysts, and you may just click news, and later is most popular. It's about Forex if you're a Forex trader. Of course, there are a lot of information about stock market and so on and so forth. What I advise you to pay attention to, it's economic calendar. So tools, economic calendar, and usually I pick up like the most volatile news. What does it mean? You see that the value and significance of some news it's like more than other. For example, such kind of data release as Fed interest rate decision. Of course, it's crucial for US dollar and all USD pairs. So that's why I just advise you to use these filters, apply 3 stars, and you may just check the most important data release, what's gonna be of announcement, what we are waiting, and how it may influence the financial market at all. So yesterday, for example, we had some German economic sentiment, and it's about current situation in Germany. Basically, to be honest, it didn't improve financial market significantly, because as you see, forecast and actual condition, it doesn't differ from each other, and in some extents it was predictable. So that's why I would emphasize that for us traders, the most important, not like what is going on, but how investors react on these occasions. Yeah, basically, if difference wasn't like crucial, that's why euro didn't react on it, and DAX, yeah, as a leading Germany index, didn't react as the same. So basically, it was in a sideways motion and continued to be stable. Okay, so let's just here you may check what we had last week. Okay, better to put here. Okay. here we have. Okay, great. So you may see what was yesterday. Yeah, basically we had last week we had some news about Great Britain. Yeah, and of course it influenced Great Britain pound significantly. It's about manufacturing, production. So let us just switch to MetaTrader 5 and check how these news impacted GBP pairs and USD pairs as well. So it was Friday. Okay, here we have some GBP currency pairs. Okay. Okay, so you see that basically the forecast was better than actual, and that's why GBP was influenced and it dropped down a little bit. And now we see that really on 12th of March it went down. Yeah, it found the level of support and there was stabilizing, there was correction, but in general it dropped significantly. Yeah, more than, here we have more than 100 pips. So it's a great occasion to take potential profit. And if you see that after data release the GBP was going to fall down, of course you need to take this chance and take an advantage on taking this potential profit. I'm not talking about like opening the position here and closing here. Of course you may just check it, and even if Bollinger Band indicated that this level was broken, yeah, and outer curves, yeah, so trend was downward trend, of course you need to sell some here and close the position here, because it was obvious that GBP as a currency and its situation is not so overwhelming, it's not benevolent for buying the Great Britain pound. So that's how you need to pay attention to some volatile fundamental news. Yeah, it's about breaking news, it's about current events, and of course it's about situation, economical situation. So in order to be always updated, just check some different sources, don't rely on one resource. Yeah, try to enrich your knowledge, try to deepen it, and once you try to embrace information about technical chart, information about fundamental analysis, that's how you may improve your trading way. So I wish you to be careful, to be patient, and of course to be successful in trading. So that was all for today, and thank you very much for your attention and good luck with trading.